Hello again, everybody. Welcome to Breakaway Seat Box Race for the 2013-2014 Upper Deck SB Game Beast box break number 81. Here's the last one for auction. Here's Edmonton. So in the box is NE221426820. That's NE221426820. There we go. Good luck, everybody. So the Authentic Fabrics jersey of David Krejci for the Bruins. That's just a little speck there. We have a short print rookie 20/65 for the Sabres of Brian Flynn. Draft day marks 20/35 for the Leafs of Morgan Riley. Authentic Fabrics jersey for the Blackhawks, Michel Goulet. Authentic Fabrics jersey, Kerry Lettman for the Stars. The last pack. Authentic Fabrics jersey, Keith Yandle for the Coyotes. And then base and base to finish off the break. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.